Here the hailstone. This is summer, isn't it? What's he doing outside, Lucy? Go on stand on the step out there and see what he's doing. Is it a lovely summer day? Go on, Lee, you go stand on the step and I'll video you. Go on. Go on. Go stand on the grid. Go on, after 3. 1, 2, 3, go! Go, quick, go, go! Are you going to do it, Lee? Go on, Lee, after 3, go! Hang on, be careful, you don't fall. Go, Lee! Go, you'll be alright, you're waterproof. Go on, Lee, go! Your turn, Lee.
I've done little one.
Is it more?
Yeah.
Is it more what, lightning? Where is it, Lee?
Little one.
Where's the lightning? Tell Daddy you're feeling lightning.
Oh my goodness, you're very brave.
I get wet, Mum.
You're very brave.
Mum, I get wet.
You wetter than when you went to the brook. Oh yeah.
What are you doing, Lee? Come see the lightning, Lee.
Mum, you got next. You're going out.
I'm not going out.
Go. You're going to go and get some, Lee.